Wala! Chocolate! Wow! Yung ngipin ng aking husband nito!
Oh no!
Wow! Chocolate! Hello, mag-open taog. Christmas present ako para gikan sa akong banana. Then open, so hindi ko siya naka-wrap ng Christmas wrapping dahil lagi po akong nandito sa bahay so wala siyang time mag-wrap. So, advance daw para bibigyan ang saysud ano. Saysud sa sana. Deal. Saysudan guys. Ano ang laman ng box? So, mahirap mag-open kapag ang aking nails ay mataas. Naka-fake nails po kasi ako. Tandang! Wow! Hala! Hala! Hala ma! Hala! Electric toothbrush! Electric toothbrush! Yay! I have electric. Meron siyang lagayan. Open on. Hindi makakabal. Meron siyang lagayan. Toothbrush. And
Let me show you. Let me show you. See here? Nice slides out, yeah? I should slide out.
no, it's not. So, ang hirap buksan. Ang hirap po buksan. Meron siyang, ito yung base niya. Tapos, meron siyang, hala! Dito ko ilalagay. Pag hindi ka na mag-toothbrush.
No, is that the charger?
No,
Well,
it's
I think the toothbrushes. I think that's for the toothbrushes.
Toothbrush. Ayan. Lagayan ng toothbrush. Sige. At subukan natin ang ano siya. For the toothbrush. Ito. Lalagay yung toothbrush pag hindi ginagamit. Subukan natin mga. Susubukan natin ito mamaya mga inday. Kung dapat hindi ito sa akin, para sa aking husband. Kaya lang, gift niya sa akin is toothbrush, electric toothbrush. Kasi maganda daw yung aking ngipin. So, pag at ito yung lagayan niya. Wow, palala. Dang. At ito yung charger. Ito yung charger niya, mga inday. Ito, pag naglobat na yung iyong toothbrush. Kasi nga, ito yung, uy! Hindi naman to Yuki. Hindi naman to Yuki connector, oy. Philippine naman ito. Tapos ilagay yung toothbrush. Pag naglobat na, i-charge nyo siyang ganyan. Ganyan, charge nyo. Chick! Early morning, so mag-open taog mga Christmas gift. Where's that? First na ko i-open ang Christmas gift ako from my husband. You gonna sit down here? Okay. We're gonna open Christmas gift. All Christmas gift is in there. Under the Christmas tree. So my first open is gift para daw sa ako from my husband. My love, can I have the scissor, please? Because I cannot open properly using my hands. Because of my nails na nag-change ko color, pero always yun matangtang, always lagi natatanggal yung thumb ko kasi ito yung lagi kong ginagamit sa pag may gagawin ako, always my thumb. Ito amoy pink ang laman ng ano kaya ito?
You like? Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
It's a new engine part for Brenda.
Perfume.
It's a new engine part for Brenda.
Yeah, my perfume na ako, guys. I have a new perfume because all my perfume is almost gone. Because I always use perfume. can sit down here.
I know, but it's your video.
No, it's here only. Oh, my nails is coming out. That's fine. All coming out. Oh. Can I have this so I can sit down properly? So.
You can wait till later to open it if you want, but
Huh? Wow! Perfume. Perfume, mga inday. Ito yung aking perfume na binigay niya sa akin.
really, you want me in the video?
Ano, second.
Oh.
Ito. Ang ganda. Yeah! Thank you, my love.
Sniff it.
I want to put in my arms. Where is that?
Just put it there on your wrist and try it.
Oh.
That's it.
Huh?
You like it?
Yeah.
Good.
I have new perfume. Ito yung aking bagong perfume. Ito yung ano niya. Ito yung box niya. Ito para pag makita. Lovely. Pag in Facebook. What's that?
Ah,
Star Wars. Cup.
yeah. There you go. 1 cup. 2 cup.
Star Wars. That is sa akin ay. Guys, hello. Baka perfume na naman. Bagong perfume na naman. Look. Ito, bagong perfume. New sparkle. Gift para sa akin. Gift from our friend. Yeah. Ready. Picking up 4. Tanggalin ko na nga lang itong ano ko mamaya. Ang aking kuko-kuko. Extension nails. Hala. Maganda. Malab.
Huh?
Another perfume.
Hey, who from?
From Doreen and Darren.
Yeah.
Yan. Yeah, another perfume. Ano siya? Next Sparkle Eau de Perfume. Guys, ito yun. Woo, may 2 perfume na ako. Last year, I have 2 perfume as well from my husband and from my friend. And also from my sister-in-law. Yeah. Nice.
Mm.
Oh! What's this? Bag.
From.
Ate Rada and Kuya Chaco for us.
Okay.
That's for you, for us, for me.
Mm.
My favorite toy. Meron siyang, I have loads of, this is, I can use this for my sewing.
Mm.
So, magagamit ko to for my sewing machine. Merry Christmas, Steve and Elena. Love from Terry, Claire, Danny, and Aldi. Chocolate Dairy Box, Nestle brand. Yung brand niya ay Dairy Box chocolate. Ganito yung ano niya. And buksan natin kung ano talaga ang laman. Chocolate. Wow! Wow, guys! Wala! Chocolate! Wow! Yung ngipin ng aking husband nito! Huy! Huy! Wow! Chocolate from his niece and from his nephew. And this one from Happy Christmas, Steve and Elena. Love from Terry and Claire. Hindi na kumiyon ng alcohol. Aking ano lang husband. Wow! Red milled wine. Guys, meron to sa pinagtatrabahuan ko. Sobrang mahal nito. Hindi ako bumili nito kasi it's expensive wine. Sa wine. May alcohol ba to? Warning. My God, 5% alcohol. From wow, nice siya. Ganda, maganda yung kalendaryo niya from Angel Calendars 2026. Pero dito sa atin, hinihingi lang to sa mga shop dito, bibilhin mo talaga. Tapos sobrang mahal, it's too expensive. The calendar is very expensive, so pwede pa regalo. It's worth, and this one, there's no card in here. Oh, this is Steve, you know, card kami, aking galing this from my sister-in-law. From Terry. Dear Steve, for a Merry Christmas, will be joy and happiness with grace. Wishes love, Tina, and Michael, Joe, and Sunny, Noah. And another gift. I can't remember. There's no name where it came from. So I just gonna open it because there's no name on it. Oh. Oh! What's this? Sleeper sock fleece line. Size. This is not my size. Might be my husband's size. So this is for my husband. 8. I mean, size, yeah, 6 to 8. That's not my size. I have mine. One size. Oh, I love this. I really love this because this month is very cold and I love this. I love this. And I can put this like that. And I'm going to wandering around. And the next one is, I don't have a name, but I know it's for a man or a woman. And of course, it's mine, another slipper. I love this. Oh, I love this. Another slipper. Oh my God. Let me. Malo, can I have scissors, please? There, the small one. No, that is not sharp enough. I said this is not sharp enough. And I'm gonna. My God. We're gonna fit if it is fit for me. Ooh, my God, too small. What size is this? 3. Very small. But I will fit in. I can fit in. I can fit in. Look, oh, I have new slipper. I can fit in. Look, oh, I have a new slipper. I love this. I love this for my winter. I love this, guys. I love this. It's so nice. This is the gift came. This is from my sister-in-law, and this is gift for me from her. I love really. And this one is thank you. I really love this. Woo! Ah, this is not mine. This is not mine. Woo! Look, this is for you, my love.
Yeah.
It's different types of beer. Corona Extra and the Stella Artois and Budweiser and San Miguel beer. Different types of beer. A bottle set of different types of beer. Set of beer. Oh my God. from my sister-in-law, gift for my husband. So this is not definitely for me because I'm not an alcoholic person. Woo! Ta-dang! And that's all. Thank you for watching.